What's up, fam? Yesterday was like 1,000 years in crypto. We started off the day right here. We nuked all the way down. We went back up. This happened on every single coin. And you're probably wondering, why? Why did this happen? Well, let's go through it. But real quick, if on days like this where you get really scared and you're like, oh my gosh, what's happening to my crypto? If you want to make money during these time periods, I would encourage you to do one thing right now. Just stop what you're doing, listen to my voice. Join the Telegram that is below this video, okay? I know everyone's got a Telegram and a trading channel, and it's like, oh, check out, and it's like $1 million. This is free for now. I'm going to charge money eventually, but it's free. It's called Easy Money Trading, and I was in here you can see, you can just look at these. This is all from yesterday. We were trading this market live during all of this chaos yesterday, and we all made a ton of money. All you had to do was follow along with what I was doing because it was absolutely crazy and hectic and insane. And I know everyone's like, wait, so you're just selling like a signal, or you're selling the squiggly lines and like First of all, it's free, so I'm not selling anything. Second of all, I don't understand the squiggly lines. I never have. I'm sure many of you guys, if you've been here on this channel for a while and you've been a Kale show attender for a while, smash the like button if you know that I really do not understand squiggly lines, right? The reason I am good at this market and the reason I'm able to trade is because I trade the news. Literally, I just trade things that actually move the price, not these random lines in the sand. I do know a little bit about where the price will stop and move and all of that stuff, which is helpful. However, yesterday it was all about the news. So I'll just give you an example. We'll just give you a free glimpse as to how we made a ton of money yesterday. Okay. So yesterday we started the day. Let's just use the Solana chart because it's the best coin right now to trade. So we started the day at let's go back to Solana. Hold on. Where are we? Okay. We started the day at 176. We were making a ton of money. I actually closed out a trade up here, made like 50 grand, which was awesome. Then the day kind of started. It kind of just went down for no reason. I got back in a little bit here and I was like, yay, we're going back up. And then disaster struck. So disaster struck with this news. Federal investigators probe cryptocurrency firm Tether. Ooh, basically this means that the federal, the FBI, I think, was looking into the biggest stablecoin in crypto. Ooh, this was bad. A lot of people panicked. So as you can see on the chart here, this was around 2 p.m. if I remember correctly. It was a long day. You wait and see what happened, guys. So around 2 p.m. you can see we nuked all the way down here to 165 right here. And then 8 minutes later, after this tweet came out, the CEO of Tether tweets this. He says, as we told the Wall Street Journal, there is no indication that Tether is under investigation. Wall Street Journal is regurgitating old news. Full stop. Okay, so this was crazy because at this point, I was before this news came out, I was long, right? I was long here. I was predicting that it would go up. So the second that news came out, I lost a ton of money. I was like, panic, and everyone in the channel was like, I don't know if I can find it. You'll have to come and scroll through here because there was so much going on yesterday. But go back, just join the Telegram and read through because it's insane. But basically, what I did is I didn't panic, and then this news came out, and so the price bounced back up, right? The price bounced right here, and you could tell it bounced all the way back up here to 172 if I remember correctly. So that's where I closed out the long, and I actually lost a little bit of money, and I was like, okay, I'm fine with it. Let's just this is a weird day. Let's just take the loss. We're still up for the week. We're still good, and let's see what happens. And thank God that I did that, because guess what happened during the evening? Breaking reports of several blasts near Tehran. This is the long-awaited for attack. Israel attacking Iran. I know they've been saying, we're going to attack Iran for literally a month, but they finally did it. And when they did it, guess what? The market went absolutely berserk to the downside. So it went woo, boom, all the way. Solana hit 159. Bitcoin nuked even further, I think. It nuked all the way here from 167.5 down to 65,500 at one point at the low. Wow. And so everyone panicked. Obviously, we all knew that was coming eventually. We couldn't really time it out. So we were ready. We were in the Telegram. I was like, guys, this is our moment. This is it. This is it. Okay, we're not going to bid right away because we don't know if Israel is dropping giant bombs or blowing them to smithereens or doing something that's going to cause World War III. First, we need to make sure that it's not World War III, right? So basically what we were doing in the Telegram is we were just discussing World War III. So all night long, my wife's I'm trying to have dinner. I'm trying to go on a walk. I'm trying to be a normal human. But no, I'm in here with you guys in Easy Money Trading. talking about World War III potentially happening. And so we basically just looked on X and figured it out as it went. So the next tweet that we got that was helpful around 8 o'clock p.m. was, an Israeli official tells NBC News that Israel is not striking Iranian nuclear facilities or oil fields and is focusing on military targets. So this is at 8:10 p.m. Let's look at the Solana chart just to show you guys this is actually what we were doing. Okay, so 8:10 p.m. back here, where is that? It's like around here, I believe. Right about here is when we entered in to another long because we realized, oh, it's not going to be World War III. They're just attacking military targets, right? And so we entered another long, which means we're betting it was going to go up right here. And then we got more good news, thank God, and it said Iran informed Israel through a foreign mediator that it will not respond to the strike. That is huge, massive good news, right? So basically what happened over the course of yesterday is, number one, we had some crazy FUD that meant nothing, that was just completely manufactured and stupid, that caused us to dump, right? Then we had the start of World War III that caused us to dump. That's actually a decent reason to dump, right? Then we realized, oh, World War III isn't actually happening, and we're removing the greatest kind of like black cloud that was hanging over the market for the past month, right? And then, if there wasn't more, there's more. Then Joe Rogan dropped his podcast with Donald Trump the exact same night. It has 17 million views, and it has 1.2 million likes in less than 24 hours. All of this happened in one day, guys. And so essentially how it went down at the end of the day is that I went maximum long, like literally the maximum possible that I can at the moment, from right here on Solana. And now we're up massively again. It's 171. I think we are headed to $200 easily. If we can close this weekly candle above 170, I think we are headed back to 200 at a bare minimum. And so that just goes to show you that you can make a ton of money documented live. This market is tradable. This market, there is money to be made, guys. If you're not out here trading this market, if you're not out here focused, if you're not out here trying to make money for your family, what are you doing? There's so much volatility in the market. Anyone who has a brain and can predict these events, and can not even predict these events. I didn't predict any of these events, but I was able to watch them in real time and react to them just a little faster than everyone else. Just a little, not like super fast, like an AI, like I'm a rapid fire sniper. No, like I just used my brain. I sat here. I spent some time, I spent like 18 hours. It was hard work yesterday, but during that time I made a lot of money, and you honestly can too if you just come into the group and follow along. So click the link below, join the Telegram, and thank you guys for watching. I'll be back later, probably take tomorrow off, be back on Monday. See you guys, peace.